Okay, so if you're having an issue with trying to delete an app and it's just not working on your iPhone, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix it in this video. So when you're trying to download it, maybe you just get this thing right here. You can only remove it from your home screen and you can't really remove it completely from your device. So let me show you how you can fix this. This might also come in different forms because it could also be that on older iOS version, it's just kind of grayed out and you can't really delete it or do anything like that. In order to fix this, the first method that we can try is to go over to settings. After that, you want to go over to the screen time right over here. You can also search for this on the settings by scrolling to the top. After that, you want to go to this right here under restrictions. You want to navigate to content and privacy restrictions. And here, this might be turned on, so you simply want to go ahead and turn this off. It might also have some sort of password because screen time can also be password protected. Then you simply need to ask your parents or whoever is controlling it to turn this off temporarily. And hopefully now you do get the option to delete an app, but this trick actually personally didn't work for me when I had this issue. So something else that I found out which did actually help is what I'm going to show you right now. You can also go ahead and search for the app, and this is the second method. What you have to do is go over to the App Store. Then you want to go ahead and search up the app that is not being deleted. Then you want to go over and find the app from the results, and you want to go ahead and click on Get right here. You might not have the Get button right here. It might be something else because if you've previously downloaded an app, then there's a different icon there, but that doesn't really make a difference. What this will do is that it will remove this and it will actually fully download the app once again. And what that should do is that should allow you to delete the app even if it was not being deleted previously. This could be related to some sort of issue where the app has been offloaded or it wasn't downloaded in the correct way, and that can result to problems such as this. So hopefully this video did help you out.